Good morning everyone. Today we will be presenting about LED technology. LED stands for light emitting diode and it is one of the most important lighting technologies used today. LEDs have become popular because they are energy efficient, long-lasting and environmentally friendly. In this presentation, we will explain how LEDs work, their applications, advantages, disadvantages and why they are important in our daily lives. Before we dive into the details, let's first go through the objectives of this presentation. The first objective is understand the basic principles of LEDs. We will learn how LEDs function as semiconductor devices that emit light and how they work based on the concept of electroluminescence. The second objective is to study the characteristics and properties of LEDs. This includes identifying the key components inside an LED and understanding the factors that affect its performance, such as voltage, current, and temperature. The third objective is to explore the applications of LEDs in daily life. LEDs are used in many different areas such as home lighting, electronic displays, automotive lighting, and even medical equipment. In this presentation, we will look at how LEDs play an important role in modern technology. Lastly, we will evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of LEDs. LEDs are known for their long lifespan and energy efficiency, but they also have some limitations, such as high initial cost and sensitivity to heat. We will discuss these aspects in more detail later. Now that we know our objectives, let's move on to the first topic, how LEDs work.
First, how LED works. LED works by using semiconductor materials, where an electric current flows through this material, causing electrons to move and release energy in the form of light through process called electroluminescence, which is different from the traditional light bulb that use filament to produce light. Since LED do not rely on the filaments, they do not generate as much heat as incandescent bulb, making them more energy efficient and long-lasting. Additionally, the color of light emitted by an LED depends on the semiconductor material used, such as gallium nitride for blue LEDs and aluminum gallium phosphide for the red and yellow LEDs. The second part is I will explain to you about the application of LED. LED technology is now used in various applications in our daily life. For example, LED are commonly used in home and commercial lighting because they are energy efficient and long-lasting. LED are also widely used in traffic signal and vehicle indicator due to their brightness and durability. In the digital world, LED are used in electronic display and digital billboards because they can display bright and vivid colors. Additionally, LEDs are used in automotive light such as headlight and brake lights, and in medical device like surgical lights and diagnostic equipment, making them a versatile and essential technology.
Now, let's look at the advantages of LEDs. LEDs are widely used because they offer several benefits compared to traditional light bulbs. The first one is it saves energy and lasts long. One of the biggest advantages of LEDs is that they are energy efficient. They use much less electricity compared to incandescent bulbs, which helps reduce electricity bills. Plus, LEDs have a very long lifespan, up to 50,000 hours, so they don't need to be replaced often. Second is LED does not produce too much heat. Unlike traditional bulbs, LEDs do not generate a lot of heat. This makes them safer to use and reduce the risk of overheating, which can be a problem with other types of lighting. Third one is it is also good for the environment. LEDs are also environmentally friendly. They do not contain harmful substances like mercury, which is found in fluorescent bulbs. Plus, since they use less energy, they help reduce carbon emission and overall energy consumption. And the last one is LEDs are also small and easy to use. Another great advantage is that LEDs are small and easy to use because of their compact size. They can be used in various applications, from tiny indicator lights in electronic devices to large LED billboards and smart lighting systems. So, in summary, LEDs are energy saving, long lasting, produce less heat, are good for the environment, and are small and convenient to use. These are the main reasons why LEDs are becoming the preferred choice for lighting today. Now, let's move on to the next part of the presentation.
Now let's talk about the disadvantages of LEDs. While LEDs have many benefits, they also have some limitations. One of the biggest disadvantages of LEDs is their higher cost. Compared to traditional bulbs, LEDs are more expensive to buy. However, since they last longer and save energy, they can still be more cost effective in the long runs. LEDs are sensitive to high temperatures. If they are exposed to too much of heat, their performance can decrease and their lifespan may be shortened. That's why proper heat management, such as using heat sinks, is important for LEDs, unlike traditional bulbs that can be directly connected to a power source. LEDs need a special driver circuit to function properly. This adds extra cost and complexity, especially for larger lighting systems. Another disadvantage is that not all LEDs can be dimmed easily. Some require special dimmer switches, and if the wrong type of dimmer is used, the LED might flicker or not work properly. So, in summary, LEDs are more expensive, can affected by high temperatures, need special circuits to operate, and some cannot be dimmed easily. Despite these drawbacks, LEDs are still one of the best lighting solutions available today.
Now that we have covered both the advantages and disadvantages, let's move on to the conclusion. To conclude, LED technology has revolutionized the lighting industry. It offers high energy efficiency, durability, and environmental benefits, making it the preferred choice for many applications. Although LEDs have some limitations, advancements in technology continue to improve their performance and affordability. In the future, LEDs will likely become even more efficient and widely used in new and innovative ways. Thank you for listening.